Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of precision with the Shefio Digital Smart Level, touted as one of the best digital levels on the market. Whether you're a professional craftsman, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who just loves having the right tool for every job, the Shefio Digital Smart Level promises to revolutionize your leveling experience. Let's explore why. First off, this isn't your ordinary level. Equipped with advanced digital technology, it offers unparalleled accuracy and convenience. Gone are the days of relying on traditional bubble levels. With the Shefio, precision is at your fingertips. Imagine effortlessly aligning shelves, cabinets, or even complex installations with absolute perfection. The Shefio Digital Smart Level makes it possible with its high-precision sensors and intuitive digital display. What sets the Shefio apart? It's not just about accuracy, it's about efficiency. Its compact design fits snugly in your toolkit, ready to tackle any project, big or small. The digital display provides real-time readings, ensuring you achieve precise angles and alignments effortlessly. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, its robust construction ensures durability and reliability. To wrap it up, if you're looking to elevate your craftsmanship or simply want the best tool for the job, the Shefio Digital Smart Level is your answer. It's innovation, precision, and reliability all rolled into one. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.